wanting to start a lip gloss business and you don't know how to start, where to start, or anything about getting it started, then this video is for you. I'm going to be talking about the different ways that you can start a lip gloss business because there are several different ways and everybody chooses a different route. I'm also going to give you guys tips and tricks on how to market your product and so much more. So be sure to watch the video all the way through. But before we get started, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rika. I'm a pink lover. I'm a serial entrepreneur and I help people start businesses. I've been a business owner since 2019. Okay. So when it comes to lashes, lip gloss, vending machines, content creation, I do it all. I help people with everything. I'm a mentor. I do it all when it comes to business. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Make sure your bells are on so you do not miss when I upload. I upload free entrepreneur tip videos every single week. Free tips, free tricks for you guys to use with your business, whether you have a business or you're about to start a business. And if you're not new, welcome back. Everybody hit the like button, especially if you want me to continue to take the time to produce this free content for you guys. The least that you can do is hit the like button. It's literally not costing you a dime to hit the like button. I'm literally about to tell you how to start a lip gloss business for free. Hit the like button, okay? So let's get straight into it. So I do have my notes here, and for a little backstory on me, lip gloss was something that I originally started selling in my business. So I've been selling lip gloss or dealing with lip gloss since 2019 for over 5 years. So when it comes to lip gloss, I'm your girl. Like I said earlier, there are 3 different ways that you can go about starting a lip gloss business. First route that you can take if you want to start a lip gloss business is by actually making the lip gloss yourself. I personally have tried this route, and let me just say it is a lot of work, especially if you are someone that has a lot on your plate. When I started my business 5 years ago, I was still working my 9 to 5 and I was in college working 12-hour shifts during the pandemic. Coming home to clean tubes, mix ingredients is not for the weak. So if you are someone that has stuff on your plate, I would not recommend starting your business this way because number one, it's going to be very time consuming. It's going to be very exhausting. And if you're starting your business with the intention of thinking long term, like you're starting this business to, eventually quit your 9 to 5. If that's your mentality, then you definitely want to think long term. If you're going to sit here and make all of this lip gloss, buy all of these ingredients, mix all of these products, clean these tubes, fill them up, then clean the tube, what happens when Black Friday comes? What happens if your business has overnight viral success and now you have to keep up with the demand? So those are just things to think about if you do choose this route. This method is a lot of work and it is time consuming. But if you are, say, a college student and you have time on your hands, then this option might be more ideal for you. The second way that you can start a business is by buying the pre-made lip gloss base. So this right here is an example when I say the pre-made lip gloss base. This method, you don't have to worry about buying the powder, the oils, none of that. The lip gloss basically comes already made. So that already eliminates one step out the way. You don't have to mix ingredients, but you now have to disperse of the lip gloss in the tube. So it comes already mixed. You don't have to mix pigments or anything like that, but you do have to get it in the tube. So this step does still, require cleaning because once you put the lip gloss in the tube yourself, you may spill some outside. You have to clean it. You have to put the stoppers. So it still requires some kind of work, but it's not as much as making everything from scratch. The third way that you can start a lip gloss business is by buying everything from a manufacturer, a wholesaler already made. I'm talking just like this right here. The lip gloss is in the tube. The lip gloss is already made. The lip gloss comes in boxes and the lip gloss comes ready to sell. You have to do no work, no mixing, no cleaning. You receive your package in the mail and you can immediately start selling, posting on social media and making money. So lucky for you guys catching this video, I can help you if you're interested in the last 2 ways. If you're interested in starting a lip gloss business and you want to buy the gloss already made, or if you want to buy everything already made for you, even private labeling logo on it, and I'm going to insert some clips for you guys right here, I can help you do that. I can help you do that. I am a cosmetic wholesaler. I have all of these options available for wholesale, you guys. And if y'all want a video, I thought about including that in this video, but I don't know if you guys are interested in that. But if you guys want me to do videos where I swatch my lip glosses and lipsticks, let me know, because I do wholesale lip gloss and I do wholesale lipsticks. So I have everything that you need. I even have lip kits. And when ordering wholesale on my website, you can choose any tube, any color. So these are just some of the different tube options that you can choose for wholesale when ordering on my website, itasty.com. You can choose any tube, any color of gloss of your choice, okay? So now I want to talk about the selection. If you are someone that has never sold lip gloss before, or you don't even have an idea of what kind of lip gloss options to sell, because I do have a lot of options, I always recommend to make sure you have a clear lip gloss. I do have the clear lip gloss here to show you guys. The clear lip gloss on my catalog is called Dream Bubble, and this lip gloss is 100% clear. And why I recommend that everybody has a clear lip gloss in their lip gloss collection is because this is universal. Every girl needs a clear lip gloss. A child can use this, an adult can use this, a teenager can use this. It's called Dream Bubble on my catalog, and it's a must-have. I have it on my lips right now. I have on, and I do sell lip liners, y'all. I'm a one-stop cosmetics business shop, by the way. Should I just do a tour, you guys? Should I just do a tour of everything I have available for wholesale? Like, as I'm recording this video, I just got that idea. Do you guys want a tour of every cosmetic product? Lashes, lip gloss, eyeliner, lip liner, lip oils, Do you guys want an entire tour of all of the products that I sell? Comment tour or a cosmetic tour in the comment section if you guys want a full breakdown of everything that I do have available for wholesale. Because sometimes you guys don't know if y'all don't browse the website. Some of you guys haven't shopped with me for years, or you guys know what you guys want to order already, so you don't even browse the website and probably don't even know I have certain items. But I do recommend getting a clear lip gloss. This is a must in your lip gloss collection, okay? A clear lip gloss. And this is what Dream Bubble, the clear lip gloss, looks like in the lip gloss bag. And what I love about the lip gloss bags is if you're watching this video right now and you're looking to start a business on a budget, then the lip gloss bags are perfect for you. But like I said, you still have to put them in the tubes yourself, but it's on a budget. You want to start on a budget, you're limited on funds, then this is the best option for you. The smallest lip gloss bag, which is this one, starts at only $9. It's a 50 ml bag, and you can do your own calculations. If you're using 4 ml tubes, 50 divided by 4 ml, you can definitely fill up a lot of tubes with these bags. You just have to make sure you do your calculations. 100 ml, how many tubes can I fill up with that? It depends on the tube that you're using. So a business tip that I'm gonna give you guys in this video, for those of you guys that want to start a lip gloss business, if you are going through me, even if you order the pre-filled tubes that come in the boxes, I do highly recommend investing in the lip gloss bags. Like I said, the smallest 50 ml is only $9. And you can use these for samples. How many times do we go to these bigger businesses and they offer you free samples? Even with like Victoria's Secret, they give you free panties. They do things to get you to shop and purchase other things. If you are selling lip gloss, I highly recommend offering some type of sample, whether you're at a pop-up event, whether you're giving it to your coworkers, your church group, whoever you're giving it to. Providing samples not only allows people to purchase your product, and they're gonna fall in love with it, and they're going to come and shop. If they try that gloss and they're like, I like that, they're gonna come and shop. And guess what? You only spent $9. You only spent $9. You can get you tiny little containers from Amazon, put them in there, get you an organizer bag, get you a business card and put it in there, give it to people at the grocery store, give it to people in the beauty supply. I'm literally giving you guys free marketing tips on how you can promote your business in person. Okay, you can even have these options available on your website if you choose. Lip gloss samples on your website and have people purchase it, or they get it free with an order. anything like that. Like if you're someone that sells multiple products, let's say you sell lashes and lip gloss. Well, maybe if somebody purchased, a lot of lashes from you, offer them a free sample with their order. So that way the next order they place, they will get lip gloss. I'm telling y'all, it's gonna work. It's going to work. When it comes to content, creating content and promoting on social media, if you guys want me to do videos on that, let me know in the comments. But it's not that hard to create content for lip gloss. Finding makeup artists and stuff can be a task, but those are one of the best ways that will help you promote your product. If you yourself do makeup or if you are a makeup artist, then it should be so easy for you to promote your lip gloss products. And you can even give the samples out to your clients to help you promote your product, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how to start a lip gloss business. If you are seriously ready, be sure to check out the lip gloss bags, the lip gloss bundles, and Wholesale on itasty.com. If you are a new customer, be sure to spin the wheel on my website for a discount code to get a percentage or dollar amount off your wholesale order so you can save money on your very first business purchase, okay? Watch this video all the way to this point so I know that you are a true supporter. Comment the word lip gloss so I know that you watched this video all the way through. And let me know, do you guys want me to do a tour of all of the products I have? Hopefully, I feel like that video might be too long because I have so much stuff. But if you guys want me to do a tour on all the products I have available for wholesale, comment cosmetic tour in the comment section and we will get it done. Don't forget to hit the like button, run at the views on the recents, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.